Anabadil, how are you doing today?
I'm great today. And how are you doing today?
I'm also doing great by the grace of Almighty Allah. Are you nervous?
No, teacher.
May I ask you some questions?
Yes, teacher.
আমি খাচ্ছি,
I'm eating.
আমি খাচ্ছিলাম,
I was eating.
আমি খেতে থাকবো,
I will be eating.
আমি যাচ্ছি,
I am going.
আমি যাচ্ছিলাম,
I was going.
আমি আসছি,
I am coming.
আমি আসছিলাম,
I was coming.
আমি আসতে থাকবো,
I will be coming.
আমি পড়ছি,
I am reading.
আমি পড়ছিলাম,
I was reading.
আমি পড়তে থাকবো,
I will be reading.
আমি লিখছি,
I am writing.
আমি লিখছিলাম,
I was writing.
আমি লিখতে থাকবো।
I will be writing.
গ্রেট। আমি দৌড়াচ্ছি,
I'm running.
আমি দৌড়াচ্ছিলাম,
I was running.
আমি দৌড়াতে থাকবো,
I will be running.
আমি হাঁটছি,
I am walking.
আমি হাঁটছিলাম,
I was walking.
আমি হাঁটতে থাকবো,
I will be walking.
আমি খেলছি,
I'm playing.
আমি খেলছিলাম,
I was playing.
আমি খেলতে থাকবো,
I will be playing.
আমি কথা বলছি,
I'm speaking.
আমি কথা বলছিলাম,
I was speaking.
আমি কথা বলতে থাকবো।
I will be speaking.
Okay, thank you very much. But now tell me, what type of tense are they?
They are continuous tense.
Continuous tense. So I'm speaking. What type of tense is it?
It is present tense. Present continuous tense.
I was speaking.
It's past continuous tense.
I will be speaking.
It's future continuous tense.
Thank you very much. You have done very well. Okay.